Imagine sitting at your desk, ready to get some work done on your laptop. You place your fingers on the touchpad, but nothing happens. The cursor just won't move. A red cross appears over the touchpad, making it clear there's a problem. This is a common frustration for many laptop users. In this video, we'll walk you through why your laptop touchpad might not be working and how you can fix it quickly and easily. Let's start by understanding the symptoms and then move step by step toward a solution. Try moving your finger across the touchpad, but the cursor remains frozen on the screen. To make things clearer, a close-up of the laptop screen shows the cursor stuck in place. You plug in an external mouse and it works perfectly, but the touchpad still doesn't respond. This confirms the issue is with the touchpad itself, not the entire system. Recognizing these signs early helps you troubleshoot more effectively. Let's look at the most common symptoms you might notice when your touchpad isn't working. A laptop touchpad fails, several symptoms can appear. You might see the cursor not moving at all, the touchpad being completely unresponsive, or gestures like two-finger scrolling not working. Sometimes you'll notice a touchpad icon with a line through it, indicating it's disabled. These symptoms help narrow down the possible causes. Animated icons appear on the screen, each representing a different symptom, making it easy to identify what you're experiencing. Now that you know what to look for, let's explore what could be causing these issues. There are several reasons why your touchpad might stop working. Sometimes pressing the FN key along with a specific function key can accidentally disable the touchpad. Other times, touchpad settings may have been turned off in your system preferences. Missing or outdated drivers can also cause problems, as can recent Windows updates. In rare cases, a liquid spill can damage the touchpad hardware. Animated icons appear one by one, visually representing each possible cause. Understanding these causes is the first step toward finding the right fix. Start troubleshooting. First, check if you've accidentally disabled the touchpad using a keyboard shortcut. On many laptops, pressing the FN key together with a function key, often marked with a touchpad icon, can toggle the touchpad on or off. Try pressing FN plus the relevant function key and see if your touchpad starts working. If this doesn't solve the problem, don't worry, there are more steps you can try. Let's move on to the next solution. If the keyboard shortcut didn't work, the next step is to check your laptop settings. Go to Settings, find the touchpad section, and make sure it's turned on. Sometimes updates or accidental clicks can turn this setting off. Turning it back on might instantly restore your touchpad's functionality. If it's already on and still not working, let's proceed to check the device drivers, which are essential for the touchpad to communicate with your system. Touchpad drivers are small programs that help your laptop's hardware communicate with the operating system. If these drivers are missing or outdated, your touchpad may not work. Open Device Manager, locate the touchpad under Mice and Other Pointing Devices, and update the driver. If an update is available, install it and restart your laptop. This step often resolves touchpad issues caused by software glitches or compatibility problems. If the touchpad still doesn't respond, try restarting your laptop as a simple next step. None of the previous steps work, there might be a hardware issue. Sometimes the internal cable connecting the touchpad to the motherboard comes loose, or the touchpad itself is damaged, especially after a liquid spill. In this case, it's best to visit a professional service center. A technician can safely open your laptop, check the internal connections, and repair or replace faulty parts. Don't attempt to open the laptop yourself unless you're experienced, as this could void your warranty or cause further damage. After following these steps, your laptop touchpad should be working again. The cursor moves smoothly and all gestures respond as expected. A green check mark appears, confirming the problem is solved. Remember, most touchpad issues are caused by simple settings or driver problems and only rarely by hardware faults. With these troubleshooting tips, you can quickly get back to work without frustration. Thanks for watching and happy computing.